Hi, boys and girls. It was so nice seeing you today on our last Zoom, but I have a special surprise for you that I'm hoping that I can get done as soon as possible. But I want you to know that I love you and I'm going to miss you, and I know you're going to do well in your next grade level. So continue to practice your work, continue to practice your numbers, practice all your skills. Okay, so for today's assignment, we're looking at two things. One is long A, and another thing is some new digraphs. All of these digraphs help us to blend to make new words, okay? So let's look at first the long I. We had our spelling words with the long I. I want you to look at this. This is my ice cream. Ice cream. Do you see how ice cream says I? So when we have words with long I, it says I. Ice cream. Now look at my word here with I. This word says drive. And you know our DR blend, dr. So we already know that sound. So here we have drive. And remember the rule. If it ends in E, the E is silent, and a consonant is behind the vowel, it says its name. Drive. Drive. You see the I as in ice cream? Do you hear the I and see the I as in ice cream? And the word drive. And then we had our other spelling words that had the word I. Okay, we had time and like, kite, bike, white, drive, stripe, and mice with our letter I, right? Our I sound, long I. And I know you're going to do well when you complete the page 212 in your reader's notebook that asks for a long I. Now, the other thing we're going to look at is our digraphs. But let's do a little warm-up first. I'm going to say a word and then change its middle sound to make a new word. Listen, the word is bake. Bake, right? What word do I get if I change the A to I? From bake to what? What would it become? Do you know? It will become bike. Bike. If I change that I from A to an I, it now becomes bike. Did you get that right? I'm sure you did. Let's do some more. Sick. The word sick. If I change the I to an O, what does it become? If I change the I to an O in sick, what does it become? Do you know? If you said sock, you will be correct. Okay? Look at the word rash. Rash. If I change the A in rash to U, what do I get? What word would I get? The word is rush. And let's think of the word tick. If I change the I in tick to A, what would I get? Or I would get tack. And last one, like, Ike, and I change it to aw, what do I get? You should have said lock. All right. Now let's introduce our digraphs. These are the digraphs we're going to be learning today. KN, WR, GN, and MB. Those are our digraphs. KN, WR, GN, and MB. Those are our digraphs. Now, I want you to think of the word noodles. Noodles. What sound do you hear in noodles? Noodles. You hear the N at the beginning. So that's the same sound that our digraph KN makes. Even though you see a K, we don't say cannot. Cannot. No, not cannot. We say N. KN makes a N sound. This is a knot. Like when you tie a knot in your shoe, like many of you did at school, you tied a knot and Miss Hurston had to try and Miss Charles had to try and get it out. Knot. Knot. Okay? And our other digraph, GN, also makes that sound N as in noodles. And we get gnat. Not gnat. There's no such thing as a gnat. I don't know what that is. So we get the word gnat. So KN says like noodles, and GN says like noodles. All right? Let's look at this word, rooster. Rooster. What is the sound you hear for rooster? You hear a r sound. R, rooster. And our digraph WR makes a r sound like rooster. And when you put it in a word like wren, which is a bird, you don't say warren, warren. We say wren. WR makes a r sound, wren. Okay? Now our other digraph, let's look at this word, mouse. Mouse. What is the beginning sound? Mouse. So when you see MB together, it says and here's the word numb, numb, or thumb, thumb. You don't say number, number, number. No, you say numb. You don't hear the B sound. So it says as in mouse, okay? All right, I know you're going to do well with this exercise. So I have it here. Let's look at it again. One more time, let's review. So I have KN. What sound does KN make? As in not. Not. We don't say cannot. Not. KN says And then we have WR. We hear the wreck. Wreck. Okay? Wreck. All right? And then we have the GN. We don't say gonna, we say gnat. 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 Even though you see the G. Okay? And the other word I was showing you, we're going to go back here, we have numb. See the MB at the end? You hear the sound. Numb. Numb. Okay? So, let's remember that KN makes a N sound as well as GN. N sound. WR makes a R sound as in rooster. And MB makes a M sound as in mouse. And I know you're going to be able to complete that page properly, those pages that you're going to do today. Okay? So you're doing your long I page. You're also doing pages 216 and 213. So you have 212, 213, and 216. Okay? Along with your blends charts. Good job.